Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today we will discuss the medial compartment of thigh. As we have discussed earlier, the anterior compartment of thigh, which had muscles sartorius, pectineus, iliacus, and quadriceps femoris muscle, and it had the femoral nerve, its nerve supply, and femoral artery and femoral vein, its blood vessels. Just like the anterior compartment of thigh, the medial compartment of thigh will also have its own muscles, own nerve and vessels, as there are three compartments in the thigh, which are anterior compartment, medial compartment, and posterior compartment of the thigh. These compartments are formed by the deep fascia of the thigh, which is attached to the linea aspera of the femur, and divide the whole thigh into three compartments, which are anterior compartment, medial compartment, and posterior compartment. Today we will discuss the medial compartment of thigh. See here, it has muscles. Number one muscle is gracilis. This is gracilis muscle. Okay, then we have adductor longus muscle. Adductor muscle because it will do adduction, and longus because it is a long muscle. Then we have adductor brevis muscle. Adductor means the muscle which will do adduction, and brevis means short. Then we have adductor magnus muscle. Can you see this muscle? It is a big muscle having one opening also, which is called as adductor opening in the magnus muscle. This is adductor magnus muscle. Magnus means big muscle. Then we have obturator externus muscle also. The blood supply of the medial compartment of thigh is profunda femoris artery, which is the branch of femoral artery, and obturator artery, which is the branch of internal iliac artery. And the nerve supply is obturator nerve. Now we will discuss every muscle one by one. Gracilis muscle. This gracilis muscle is attached, or it is originated from the ischiopubic rami, which is formed by the inferior ramus of the pubis and the ischial ramus, and it is inserted over the upper part of the shaft of the tibia. It is doing the adduction of thigh at the hip joint and flexion of the leg at the knee joint. The innervation is obturator nerve. Remember this thing, the innervation is obturator nerve, because obturator nerve is the nerve of the medial compartment of thigh, so it will supply all muscles of the medial compartment of the thigh. Next muscle is adductor longus muscle. See here, this is adductor longus muscle. It is originated from the body of the pubis, and it will be inserted over the linea aspera of the femur on the posterior surface of the thigh. It is adducting the thigh at the hip joint, and innervation is again obturator nerve. Now the adductor brevis muscle. This is a short muscle. It is also originated from the inferior ramus of the pubis and inserted over the linea aspera of the femur. It adducts the thigh at the hip joint, and it also assists in lateral rotation, and it is innervated by the obturator nerve. Now the adductor magnus muscle, it is originated from the inferior ramus of the pubis, ischial ramus and ischial tuberosity, and it is inserted over the posterior surface of the shaft of the femur and adductor tubercle, which is present over the medial epicondyle of the femur. Its action is to adduct the thigh at the hip joint, and it also assists in lateral rotation. Innervation is obturator nerve and sciatic nerve. Sciatic nerve is the nerve of the posterior compartment of thigh, but it also supplies the adductor magnus muscle, because the adductor magnus muscle has two heads. So one head will be supplied by the obturator nerve and one head will be supplied by the sciatic nerve. Now the obturator externus muscle, it is originated from the outer surface of the obturator membrane and the pubis and the ischial ramus. It is inserted over the medial surface of the greater trochanter. See here in this diagram, this is greater trochanter, but its medial surface will be medially. So this muscle, obturator externus, it is attached to the medial part of the greater trochanter of the femur. It laterally rotates the thigh at the hip joint. Innervation is again obturator nerve. This is a chart which is the summary for the muscles, their origin, insertion, nerve supply, their nerve root value and action. The gracilis, as I have told you, is originating from the inferior ramus of the pubis and the ramus of the ischium, and it is inserted over the upper part of the shaft of the tibia on the medial surface, and it is supplied by the obturator nerve. Nerve root values L2 and L3, and it is doing adduction of the thigh at the hip joint and flexion of the leg at the knee joint. Similarly, they have written all muscles of the medial compartment of thigh and their origin, insertion, and their extra information. So please learn all this information. It is very, very important. The adductor magnus muscle is supplied by two nerves. See here, the adductor portion will be supplied by the obturator nerve and the hamstring portion will be supplied by the sciatic nerve. Sciatic nerve is the nerve of the posterior compartment of the thigh. Now the blood supply of the medial compartment, it is the profunda femoris artery. As I have told you, the profunda femoris artery is a branch of the femoral artery. It is about coming from the femoral artery about 4 centimeters or 1.5 inches below the inguinal ligament, and it will give many branches. The branches of the profunda femoris artery will be medial circumflex femoral artery, then there will be lateral circumflex femoral artery, and there are 4 perforating branches. 3 are the branches, and the 4th one is actually the continuation of the profunda femoris artery. So it will be continued as the 4th perforating artery. So this is the blood supply, and the venous drainage is the profunda femoris vein. Remember this thing, the profunda femoris vein, which is draining into the femoral vein, is draining the venous drainage from the medial compartment of the thigh. Blood supply, obturator artery, okay, it is a branch of internal iliac artery. As I have told you earlier that there are 2 arteries for the medial compartment of thigh. One artery was profunda femoris artery, which is the branch of femoral artery, and one artery is obturator artery, which is a branch of internal iliac artery. It will give muscular branches and articular branches to the hip joint. It enters the thigh through the obturator canal. Do you remember obturator canal? It was a small canal which was present in the obturator foramen. The whole of the obturator foramen was covered by the obturator membrane except a small canal which gives passage to the obturator artery and the obturator nerve. So it enters the thigh through the obturator canal. Obturator vein is also draining the medial compartment of thigh, and it will drain into the internal iliac vein. Nerve supply is obturator nerve. It is a branch of the lumbar plexus. Remember this thing. It is a branch of the lumbar plexus. L2, L3 and L4 is the root value. The obturator foramen divides the obturator nerve into anterior and posterior divisions. Okay. There will be 2 divisions. Anterior division and posterior division. The anterior division supplies the gracilis muscle, adductor brevis muscle and adductor longus muscle out of all muscles, and the cutaneous supply to the medial part of the thigh. So anterior division is supplying some muscles and it is supplying the skin of the medial thigh. The posterior division supplies the adductor part of the magnus, the knee joint and obturator externus. So one muscle is supplied by one division is supplying the adductor longus and one division is supplying the adductor magnus muscle. Okay. See here in this diagram, this is obturator nerve L2, L3 and L4. Okay, it is divided into 2 divisions. This is anterior division and this is posterior division. The anterior division will supply hip joint, pectineus muscle, adductor longus and brevis and gracilis muscle, and posterior division will supply the knee joint, adductor magnus muscle. Okay, so this is the chart which is very, very important, which is explaining the obturator nerve. So this was the medial compartment of thigh. I hope you have understood the muscles, the vessels, the nerve of the medial compartment of the thigh. Thank you very much.